this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can earn over $1,200 per day on autopilot on YouTube, re-uploading videos in 2020. Also, to reach this number over $1,200 per day, it does require a lot of views, a lot of work, so it is not really that easy to reach this amount. So I really want to show you guys how to do this step by step, so make sure to watch this video till end. And also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, I highly recommend you guys to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So if you go on YouTube and you search for example, cute animals, let's go and search for cute animals. You're going to find tons of different videos that are getting millions and millions of views, but they actually didn't record any of these videos. So you can see this one has 12 million views and this one has in 5 months 20 million views. So mostly sometimes you can't really expect to monetize all of these videos with AdSense because some of the videos may be copyrighted, so your video is going to get claimed and you're not going to make any money from AdSense. But the key is not to make money from ads. I'm going to show you guys how you can monetize these YouTube channels other ways that are not AdSense, because AdSense is not actually the best way to make money on YouTube. You can also see this video has 46 million views. So if you go, for example, let's go and click on this one, you can see all of these videos you can see this one is monetized. This is not claimed video, but what you want to search, you want to search for the most popular videos in this niche. You can see also this video is 10 minutes long, so they can put multiple ads in these videos. But as I said, we're not going to make money from AdSense for this method. So you can see, as I said, this is a very popular video. You want to also search for newer videos and you want to save all of the links that you can find that are popular in this niche. And you also want to install this free tool that is called vidIQ. So why is this really important for us? Because it lets us analyze video keywords. So I want to explain you guys why these keywords are so important for us, because if this channel managed to rank, you can see this video has this channel has 300,000 subscribers, but they have over 20 million views. So what is telling us that these tags right here and also this title helped this video rank so high in YouTube, and YouTube is actually promoting this video to all of their viewers. So how you can go and monetize this video, and not actually with AdSense, you can go and monetize it the other way that I'm going to show you guys. So first thing, how you can go and find these videos to create compilations. Go on YouTube, search for cute animals, click on search and select filter, and then click on Creative Commons. So Creative Commons license help us to find the videos that we can use in our YouTube videos. And you can see there are tons of Creative Commons videos that are doing this method, and you can see this one has 11 million views in 8 months. This one has 8.5 million views in 8 months. So you can go and take these videos, you can actually go and download all of this video and use it in your YouTube video. So you can see, to check out if this is Creative Commons video, what you want to do is more to click on show more, and right here you can see license for this video is Creative Commons, so reuse is allowed. As I said, you can go and take this video and upload it on your YouTube channel. So sometimes, as I said, your videos are not going to be monetized with AdSense. So that is why I don't recommend you guys to apply for YouTube AdSense program. But what you want to do is you want to sell merch on your YouTube channel. So Teespring, what actually they do is they let you guys create design, upload your design on Teespring, and then sell t-shirts. So you don't need to print anything, they're all going to do it for you. They're just going to collect all of the earnings and send you guys for every single, for example, t-shirt or mug or whatever you sell in Teespring. So I want to show you guys, they have phone cases, they have mugs, they have many things that you can go and design and sell. I'm going to show you guys how you can also go and design and sell this merch. So I want to show you guys, when you click on get started, you want to create your free Teespring account, and once you sign up, you're going to see a page like this. So you can see this is YouTube merch shelf. You can also create that. So you can go and click on that, and you can check out how it looks like. So you can see right here how merch shelf looks like in your YouTube video. So what we want to do now is we want to create our design for our merch. So we want to click right here on get started, and we're going to launch Teespring, and you can see you can choose tons of different stuff that you can create for your merch. So let's go and start, for example, with pillows, because pillows can be very interesting, because many of these video watchers, many of the viewers from this video are highly interested in animals, in dogs, cats, or whatever, and they're probably going to buy your merch. So what you want to do is you want to go, for example, on this kind of websites, clean PNG, and for example you can search, for example, cute dogs or cute dog. You can see there are tons of different designs. Let's go and search for cute dog. So for example, we can go and select this one. So let's go and download PNG for this dog. So let's click on free download, and let's click on right here. So make sure to check out is if all of these images are for commercial use. You want to check that also out, and it does require a little bit of time to download these images, because I don't know why my internet connection is not slow, but sometimes these websites are really slow. So what you want to do is you want to take this design right here and put it on your mug, or put it on your t-shirt, or put it wherever you want to sell it, whatever kind of merch you were trying to sell. And right now we're going to take, so we have downloaded our design, and what we want to do now is we want to upload it on Teespring. So what you want to click is on add image, and they're giving us to upload our design. So let's go and click on open, and it is going to take some time. You can see it says uploading your artwork, and what are we going to do now is we're going to see how it is going to look on our pillow. So you can see if it's going to look nice or bad or whatever. And let's go and click right now on preview, and you can see it really looks cute on this pillow. So it is going to be very interesting to see when people are going to buy it, how are they going to react, and more. So what you want to do is you want to put the prices for each pillow. So you can see all of the sizes, 16 inches pillow, you can put, for example, $25.99, and you can see the profit for each sale is going to be $11. If you want to earn even more money, you can put, for example, $49.99, but you don't want to put a really high price, because not a lot of people are going to buy it if it's really expensive. So if you sell it, for example, for $49.99, you can earn $35.73 for each sale of this pillow. You can upload all of these designs on every single product that you're trying to sell. If you're trying to sell posters, if you're trying to sell blankets, for example, you can see there are tons of different accessories that you can go and sell on Teespring. And as I said, you don't need to print anything, you don't need to do anything. They're all going to do all of this job of shipping, handling, printing for you guys. They're just going to send you guys profit for each product. So really important is, what I want to tell you guys is, make sure always to create your own designs. Don't just go and download designs from these pages. I just gave you guys an example how design can how this design can look like, but what is really important is make sure to create your own designs, so it is going to be really unique to sell to your viewers. So once you create all of these designs, you can upload it, as I said, on many products as you can, And once you try to sell it with Teespring, when someone buys it, you're going to earn some amount of money that you put the price on. So for example, if you sell pillows for $25, you're going to get $13 profit for each sale. So that is how you can go and make some money on YouTube without AdSense. You don't need ads. What you want to do, as I said, make sure to find these popular videos that are getting millions of views. Make sure to take their tags, create similar titles, put similar thumbnails, and then upload it on YouTube. So that is one of the easiest ways, guys, to make some money online. It does require a lot of work, but it is really easy. As I said, it is really easy to create these videos because you're taking someone else's content, but it does require some time to grow your channel, to get views, and so on. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you want to see more free content just like this on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, make sure to press that subscribe button. And if you want to support me for making this free content, make sure to press that like button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.